What's up, you guys? It's Aisling. Welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna look different for about 4 minutes, maybe 3 minutes. I filmed this segment of the video 4 times, guys. And I don't know if it's my battery in my camera, but something is wrong and it just keeps cutting out. And I keep thinking it's recording because the picture in the viewfinder, even though I can't see it because I'm blind and I'm sitting so far away, but it's there and it's recording in the corner. I don't know what's happening. But anyway, in today's video, I am doing a quarantine haul. So I have been in lockdown / quarantine, whatever you want to call it, this is week 6. So it hasn't been like too long in comparison to some other countries, but it has felt long enough. And to keep me occupied, I went and did a bit of online shopping. Now, I initially in the beginning was like, not going to online shop. It's not fair to all the people who are picking packages in like warehouses and stuff around the world. And I'm there wanting the latest lip liner and shoes and books and stuff. But after talking to my aunt's partner, he was like, oh, it's great. It keeps us all working. He's a delivery driver and he was saying like that places are well spaced out, and I was also reading on websites and they were saying that their warehouses are well spaced out and they are using social distance and stuff like that. So I was like, okay, I don't know, I kind of gave in. I think it was more boredom than anything, so I did purchase a few things. I'm going to do a whole haul today on all the things that I purchased during my quarantine. The first thing I picked up was stripped down lip liner from MAC. I love this lip liner. I was running really low on it and like it was down to nothing. I think I showed it in another video. It was like literally nothing left of it. This is my favorite lip liner ever. I love it. That's it there. It is on my lips right now. I use it to overline my lips and I just feel like it gives a real pouty effect to my lips. Because I haven't had lip filler in, 3 years, there is like nothing in my lips anymore. It's all dissolved. I felt that my lips, they had such a good shape after the lip filler went away, but I just felt like they needed just a teeny bit of overlining, just a little bit, just to make them look pouty. I prefer the look of my lips now natural than I did with lip fillers in them. I don't know if I'll ever get lip fillers ever again, but at this moment, no, I really like my natural lip and I do like to overdraw. I know people are probably think that overdrawing lip trend is really like dated, but I do like it and I feel like this makes my lips look full and pouty and I really like it. So earlier before this video got cut off, I did mention that Shoe had a massive sale. I don't know if it's still going on, it might be anyway, but I was like, okay, I need runners. I have to get runners. That's just me. I love shoes. I love runners. They're my favorite things ever. It's not that I collect them, but I definitely have a large collection of runners in particular. Shoes I love in general, but runners, my jam. These first pair of runners are Converse. I have worn Converse since I was a tiny tot. I think my first shoes were Converse. No, actually they weren't. They were like Nike Air Force ones. They were like that, but they were 90s ones, obviously, because it was in the 90s. I wore Converse loads as a kid. Always had them. High tops, low tops, them all. I think I've had nearly every colour at this stage. I have maroon pairs, red pairs, white pairs, loads of different pairs, but I needed a new black pair. My last black pair, I don't know, they went MIA. I don't know what happened to them. I think during my last move, when I moved home, I lost them, but I can't find them anywhere. Anyway, I got a new black pair, so I haven't had these runners in about a year, maybe a year and a half. So I love black cons. I also buy white cons quite regularly, so they're the two that I keep like repurchasing. I do love the maroon ones. I've actually gone through a few pairs of the maroon, and I have a lovely pink pair with rose gold hardware. Like all the rivets are rose gold. They're gorgeous. But anyway, these are normally around 55 to 65 euro. You can pay anywhere between there, but I got them for 40, 45, 46, something like that. So it was really good value. I wear them so often, they were definitely warranted. These next pair of runners, I've had my eye on them for quite some time. I want to say for the best part of a year and a bit. And they are just to die for. These runners are just my jam. Oh my god, these are just so beautiful. So these are them. These are the Nike Zoom 2Ks in black and white. They're the original ones. They come in so many different colours now, but they're the original colour, like black and white. They come in like orange and white. They come in blue and red and pink and every colour now. I've seen them in almost every colour, but these are the OGs. I love them. I got these in a size 4. They're all UK size 4 or a euro 37, just in case you're wondering. I find Nike runners fit me so much better than Adidas runners. I don't know why. I feel like they're just, the fit of them is so much better. I haven't actually worn them yet. This is like the second time I've like looked at them. I had to open them as soon as they arrived because I was like, they're so beautiful. I just love runners so much. I know they kind of look a bit like dad runners. I've had my eye on them for a year, maybe even longer, and I've just never broke down to get them, but they were on sale. Shoe had like a massive sale. I think it was 20% off. So they are normally €90 and I buy kids or junior sizes. So they're less than the adult size, but they were reduced to 72. So I'm so happy with that. Next up, I ordered from MORPHE. I haven't ordered from MORPHE in like forever and a day, but I was on their website at the beginning of quarantine and I just was like, oh, here, let's just make a purchase on MORPHE. As you do, because you're bored and you're like, how can I spend my money? And I just bought lip products. I don't know why I bought so many lip products, but I did. The first ones I bought were lip liners. So I've managed to get my hands on 3 lip liners. I really wanted Sweet Tea, but it's out of stock and it's been for the longest time ever. So I picked up instead the shade Frenchie. A nice warm, it's kind of like a mauvey brown shade, I guess. Kind of like a tone down from Mac's World, I would say. The next one is Chippy, which looks like that. They're quite similar. I'd say it's like a shade down from the first one, Frenchie. And then the last one was Spiffy. Again, I've no idea why I purchased any of these shades. They just caught my eye. They're all nudes, of course, because hello, it's me. Ooh, that's a really nice one. I don't have anything like that in my collection. It's like a really cool chestnut brown shade. Ooh, I like that one. I like that one quite a lot. The other two are quite similar to stuff that I already have in my collection. Go figure. I would purchase stuff that I already have. And then I bought 2 lipsticks. The first one I bought was Commit. I believe this is a matte one. No, it's a super matte. So even more matte than matte, but that looks like that. Okay, that's gorgeous. It's really, really matte. I don't have anything like that in my collection either, which I'm quite happy with. And then the other one I got was Bare All. This is a super matte as well. It's almost like a grey nude. I know that sounds weird, doesn't sound particularly nice. But anyway, there are a couple of the little Morphe purchases. I must say I'm quite happy with all those lip products. I like them. I like them a lot. Next we're going to go to, what's this? This is another book. And I purchased this one from eBay. This book was, it says £1. I think I paid, about €2 for this book. And it's from Sophie Kinsella. So Sophie wrote all those Shopaholic books. I don't know if you remember them. I remember them when I was younger. And like Confessions of a Shopaholic and stuff, they were her books. Didn't they make that into a movie, Confessions of a Shopaholic? Is that Isla Fisher? Is she in that? Anyway, this book caught my eye because I have read a lot of her books, a lot of them, and I really like them. One of my favourite Sophie Kinsella books is 20s Girls or 20s Girl. If you haven't read it, it's like one of the most amazing books ever. I've lost my copy of it, so I'm going to have to buy another one. Like, I thought it was in the attic and I went up to look for it and it's not there. I have this weird obsession with rereading books because I have a feeling of nostalgia reading it. Remembering the first time I ever read that book and where I was and going straight back to that. Does that make any sense? So sometimes I read books just basically for that nostalgic feel. But anyway, I'd never read this one. It's called Remember Me. So I said I would pick it up and try it. Actually, it's so weird that I picked up 2 big hardback books. That was totally an accident. I didn't even know they were hardback books. But normally I would buy like a paperback because they're just easier to store. But I like a big hardback now and again. Next up, we're gonna go to New Look, and I can't even remember what I bought from New Look. Again, I just opened it and left it there so that I wouldn't have to fooster around with packaging. And now I am foostering around because I just hate that noise when you're trying to get into stuff. So the first thing is this black heart embroidered top, and this looks like a that. Let me see. Looks like that. I really like them little mesh tops. I think they're cute. You wear like a little bralette underneath them. I just think they're lovely. This one is in a size 6 and it was $14.99 and I just really liked it. I just thought it was really cute. I actually cannot remember purchasing it on the website because it's been so long. These packages have been sitting here, some of them for at least 2 weeks, and some of them have just arrived yesterday, but I think I ordered them all around the same day. So that'll just tell you, like, some companies are just taking a long time to deliver, which is fine. I am okay with that. We're in a pandemic. I'd rather them have their members of staff safe than rushing packages out. I can wait. I'm in lockdown. I ain't going nowhere. Second thing I purchased was this little cardigan type top. I don't know what you would call it. It's not even cardigan material. It's like stretchy material, but it has like a little tie in the front, 2 little ties. And this was $14.99. I got it again in a size 6 and it looks so pretty. I love these like cardigan-y kind of tops that you just wear over tracksuit bottoms for casual wear, or a pair of jeans, and it just kind of dresses it up. You can wear it like on a night out for dinner, or you can just wear it lounging around the house. I really like that. So the second last place I went to is I Saw It First. And I've never bought anything off the website I Saw It First, but I have been on the website tons of times. I think when Love Island was on last summer, I was like, oh my god, because they were like literally sponsoring all the outfits, and I went on there. But I never purchased anything because I was like, well, whatever. But I ventured onto the website. I only got 2 items. The first one was this t-shirt, and this t-shirt says 90s baby on the front, because I am a 90s baby. I just thought it would be so cute with a pair of jeans. It's very basic. This cost absolutely next to nothing. I think it was about €7 or something. I just really liked that 90s print on it. It's a nice material of a t-shirt as well, actually. It's good quality, like it's not real thin or anything. And the other thing I bought was this shirt. I absolutely love me a check shirt. I mean, I'm obsessed with them, to be honest. So this was a baby blue and it has kind of like orange on it. I bought this in what I thought would be an oversized size, so I got it in a size 10. I would normally be either a size 6 or an 8 in my clothes, so I thought maybe a 10 would just be oversized for me. This is not going to go with this, just with the pattern. This is exactly what I wanted. I wanted like an oversized, I don't know if I can show you, but I wanted this oversized flannel shirt, and I wanted it to be super oversized. I can wear it with like a little crop top and wear it over my sweatpants, because I love these shirts for that purpose. I have so many shirts, probably too many check shirts. I have red ones, green ones, I have check red and black ones, but this one I really liked, and I love the feel of it. It's actually quite thick. It's like a woven material more so than like flannel, and it feels really nice. So I'm excited about that. That was really inexpensive as well. I believe I got a coupon code for it as well. I'll leave that website link down below because the clothes are pretty inexpensive on it. Some of them look better than others. Like I've seen kind of like pictures and I zoom right into the quality of them nearly, and you can tell like something's going to be really sheer and look disastrous. And then you can also tell with some of them if they're going to look a bit nicer on. That shirt looks good. And the final place we went to is Zara. And these items have been sitting there for the longest time. Zara is my favourite shop in the whole entire world. After Penneys, I would say that I have more clothes from Zara than anywhere else on the planet. And I prefer to Penneys. I just prefer the quality. I just love everything about Zara. It is my favorite clothing shop. So I go in there constantly buying things, but obviously I haven't been into a Zara shop in the longest time ever. This actually the top that I'm wearing today is from Zara as well, just if you were wondering. Little crop vest I got, which was $3.95. It's just perfect. I could wear that underneath that little shirt. I can't get enough of tank tops. They're great, but the quality of the Zara ones are really good. They wash well, they wear well. I have some, there goes Chewy. So yeah, little tank top. Love me a little tank top. And then I picked up this periwinkle slip of the tongue there, periwinkle blue dress. I have this dress in black. I think I have it in cream. I have it in green. I have it in a nude color as well. But they came out with this color this spring. They come out with them every single spring, summer, and this is the color of this year. And they also have like a lime green, which I'm loving. So it's just a long dress that has a slit just in the back. It's a midi dress, so it just goes over my knees. It is the most beautiful dress ever. Like I said, I have it in so many different colors. It's really easy. You throw it on with a pair of cons, or you can dress it up with a pair of heels, or you can wear like nice sandals with it. You can wear a denim jacket with it, a cardigan with it. You can dress it up with a blazer. It's such a basic dress, but it just is insane, and it's just really good quality and really nice thick material. It's only $12.95 as well. You cannot go wrong. But I love the black one in particular of this. Like I wear it quite a lot, but just that color really caught my eye. I love that color. And then the final thing that I got was this dress. This was $29.95. I got it in an extra small. Sorry if I didn't mention the other sizes. I think this dress is in a small and the tank top is in a small. Yeah, They're obviously the smallest size that come in. I'm always an extra small in Zara, and if they don't have extra small, I'll just get small. And just I feel it fits better in a smaller size. That's just my size. And anyway, this is what this dress looks like. Isn't it gorgeous? I love it. It's so pretty. It has daisies on it. It's kind of like ruffled a bit in the middle, buttons the whole way up. It's just so pretty. It's kind of like a skater style at the bottom. I know it looks kind of like granny-ish or something. I don't know. I always feel like floral patterns. I know I'm wearing florals right now, but florals can go from either looking like granny florals to looking kind of like sophisticated florals. I know that sounds really weird, but it depends on kind of the florals that are on it. These are little daisies, and there's like a little bit of blue running through the daisies. I just really like this dress. This would be something I would wear with like a leather jacket and a pair of cons, or if I wanted to dress it up, wear a pair of, you know, those heels that wrap around your leg, the twisty ones, maybe like a denim jacket or like a black jacket or a blazer. You could wear this with anything. This is also a very nice work dress. I really get like total garden vibes, like been at like a garden party or something like that and like sitting outside with a bottle of cider. Totally get those feels, but yeah, that's not gonna happen anytime soon. Anyway, yeah, that is my last item of clothing. I have a misguided haul. There's just a lot of, not a lot, but like I would want to dedicate like an entire video to it on its own, because there's just, you know, I would prefer to do that. So I will have a misguided haul coming up soon. So if you would like to see that misguided haul, definitely thumbs up this video. It just lets me know that you like this type of content and I'll know to make more of it. And if you are not already, please subscribe down below. I hope you guys are keeping safe. I love you guys so much, and I will talk to you all in my next video. Mwah. Bye guys.